Hello, this is my week 13 coding assignment for React JavaScript. I have my code here that I will go through first, and I will briefly discuss the assignment that we were given, and then I will show the page itself that I created. So the assignment was to use React JavaScript to create a login form with a username and password field, and also a login button. And then we were also supposed to add in a navigation bar as well. The navigation bar didn't actually have to lead to any other pages, but just to be present on the page. So I will first go through my code itself. I downloaded the React Webpack and all the modules and nodes that I needed in order to generate this HTML page. So I began by first running through the program itself to get it installed. And then I created a components folder within the source folder itself. And I created both a JavaScript and CSS file. So over here, I have in my JavaScript file my import for my React, and I also imported my style sheet here in this file as well. And then I have my constant for the login form itself to return the following information in here, which includes an H3 header, which was another portion of the assignment. So I have my username and password fields here along with my buttons for logging in and then resetting the login, as well as my export for my login form here. And then in my additional file, I have my CSS, which has all of my styling on here. So you can see all the different code and styling that I have for the buttons, backgrounds, and form. I won't go through that too much, but there is that code. And then through my app.js file here, I imported these additional files along with Bootstrap for styling. And then I have my function here, which is essentially to return all this information. So that is my code. I will now minimize this so you can see in my browser what this looks like. Here's my React app. Here's my login form. I do know that one of the other requirements was supposed to have this centered on the page. Initially, I did start off with this being centered on the page, but then when I added in the nav bar element, that actually moved it back to the side. And I was having some trouble trying to figure out how to get that back, so I just left it as it is. But every other requirement for the assignment has been met. We have the username field that can be typed in along with a password field here as well. And then I've got my login button, reset login button. And then I have my nav bar down here with some buttons that I just made, including home, contact us, about us, and main menu. So that is my React Week 13 assignment. Thank you.